Hey everybody, I'm gonna let you read this while I start my talk. I am going to do a stamp effect fluid painting. You can see on the sides there are the 3 itty bitty baby canvases that I have used in the past for this, and then I glue a magnet on the back, and they are little magnetic works of art. So I'm going to zoom out. Okay, so you can see my canvas is under, hang on, I've got a pink button laying in the middle of the room. Okay, so these are just little canvases. They come like that. There are 8 of them. And then I just glue a magnet onto the back. All right, hang on, I gotta get a drink of water. And then I just have a cup Velcroed to it, so I have something to hold on to. And what I'm going to pour the paint on is a sheet of glossy photo paper, which here it is, which I am now using. I've used up my Yupo paper, and I bought some of this to see how I liked working with it. And for acrylics, I actually like it better than the Yupo, because this kind of, it adheres a lot better. The Yupo is a synthetic paper. So, I mean, you can scratch the acrylic. If you really tried, you can peel it off that Yupo. I mean, you'd really have to work on it, but you can. So, I've switched to the photo paper. The colors I'm using today are a variety of blues. Got Liquitex Basic Payne's Gray. This is a mix of Prussian blue with, I had like a metallic-y blush color, so it ended up like this. Shake these up a little. This is Artist Loft Turquoise. That's what it says. And then this is some kind of metallic or iridescent blue that I have mixed. So I want to get those down, and then I'm going to look at it and see maybe adding these colors on top, but I'm going to wait and see. So this is my house paint, my latex house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. I all those paint mixing videos, but I told you all that in that little piece of paper, if you read it. And for those of you, but you probably would, nah, forget it. I was gonna say, I'm still trying to work on figuring out how to get translated into different languages, but I've yet to figure that one out. Because you can get me translated into English, you know, there's closed captioning, but not to other languages. I have friends that speak various languages. I should have them translate all my videos. Oh my God, wouldn't that be a nightmare job? I don't think they'd be my friends for very much longer. Actually, probably 90% of what I say does not even relate to my art. So, a lot of it's just random thoughts through my head. And then details about the paint or the mixing or whatnot. So I am not using silicone in this one. know. Let's see if I can. I'm going to torch out all these air bubbles. There they go, goodbye. I actually haven't painted in quite a few days because I've been trying to catch up on a lot of resin, which some pieces I had to do 3 times. Isn't that the prettiest color? Love it. But there's no way I will ever be able to reproduce it because I don't even know how I made the blush color that I mixed the Prussian blue with. This Payne's Gray lid will not come off. Okay, well, that's trash. I should just paint my entire interior of my house Payne's Gray. It's so pretty. Got lots of different shades going on here. May as well add, I feel like light blue violet deserves to play. Alrighty, so I got my stuff. Don't need that in there. Got my stamper, and I am stamping. And I'm trying to pop it up real fast because I don't want a square. If I do it too, well, you can kind of see, I don't want a square. So far, so good. I really like this. There is a ton of paint on this canvas right now. So I'm going to try and tilt it all over. I do like, oh, I'm so debating, do I add the others? Obviously the blues are beautiful, but the others seems like it'd just be so cool. Yeah, right now I am stamping up the rest of this photo paper. I'm going to add, well, no. Maybe not the, well, maybe not yellow. I'm gonna add a little bit of mystery red. Okay, so I got a little bit of mystery red. And then I'll do a little bit of, this is fluorescent red and vermilion. I have so many paintings that are blue. So that's why I want to, you know, spice it up a little. Ooh, that's kind of turning into a really cool color. Okay, I like that. And that fluorescent red vermilion did not turn out scary. Like I was a little bit worried it would. I love that little swirl from, but need some white. Yeah. Okay. Now's the hard part. Deciding how much to tilt. I like this area. No, I need that area. I need that. I might leave this and clean up these. So I'm tilting towards you right now. Yeah, very so slightly. Bringing it back down my way. Okay. I don't like that or these. That or that. Place where I just took the paint off of. I guess I probably could have just used the white paint that is in my tray. I am leaving more paint on this canvas than I usually would. So, but I think it should be okay. I like it. I so want to like add another color, but I don't think that would be a good idea. Oh, so let me show you. Let me finish stamping up this. And then here is my stamp. My magnet. My little baby canvas. I love these little baby canvases. Get that little torch. Alrighty. I am glad I added the reds. It's very cool. And then that's that. I don't really care what that looks like because I'll be cutting it into pieces anyways. And then, oh, why is that? There we go. My little bitty canvas. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you all next time. Bye.